sleep 8 hours and wake up feeling like you slept 4? That's not aging, that's not stress, that's broken sleep. When breathing gets disrupted at night, your body keeps pulling you out of deep sleep. You don't remember waking up, but your nervous system does. The result? Morning grogginess, afternoon crashes, zero energy. It's not about sleeping longer, it's about sleeping better. And better sleep starts with proper airflow. Fix that, and everything else starts to fall into place. That focus on airflow is exactly how Vital Sleep approaches better sleep. Details are in the link below.